Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Look at that, back to school already. Oh boy. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And you guys can check these guys out. Link will be down below. And if you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. They'll ship this to you fast. And if you have some free time, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Back to school. This is coming from... not sure. Maybe it tells on the box. Oh, baby. Here we go. Bluetooth 5.2. The Fiil Art of Audio CC2. True wireless in-ear headphone. Fiil. That's what it's called. I'm liking the design. Case, everything. True wireless. 32 hours of music. Long duration. Fast charge. Game, video, and music. LL mode. 10 band customized EQ setting. Unique design. That is true. Looks really cool though. Beam forming dual mic noise cancellation. Battery level. They got a smart app config. Alright, let's get into it, guys. So you can use these with your iPhones, your Androids, it doesn't matter. Anything that has a Bluetooth connection. Come on. There we go. The Fiil, the Fiil. Here we go. Ooh. Look at that. Come here. I'm liking the color too. Okay. These are nice. Definitely excited to test these out. Here's the back. Come on. There's gotta be a US cable in here. There we go. Here's the little guy. But it should be good to go. There we go. Oh, that's a nice little case. Gotta pop them in. How do I do this? Oh, like that. Boom. Locked and loaded. Whoops. How do I turn these things on? Oh, Bluetooth is right there. Gotta go through my phone. Settings. Bluetooth. Should pop up. Yep, there it is. Oops. Come on. There we go. Yep, we are connected. And now... see what these sound like. left and right. I'm not sure which goes where. Ooh. Oh, wow. These sound really nice, guys. Yeah, I'm liking the sound. Let's see the bass levels. Touch control. Oh, yeah. These sound amazing, guys. I'm liking these. Really comfortable, too, in the ear. Yeah, these are perfect. Can't believe it, how small this thing is and how amazing it sounds. It is touch. Right by the... There we go. Whoa. So you got the Sierra going. Gotta touch it. So that is really cool, guys. Definitely, if you guys are in the market to get new ones, I definitely recommend getting these. The Fiil, the Fiil, the Art of Audio. Link will be down below. Get a couple for yourself. Be great for stacking stuffers this holiday season. Something new on the market. These are the good ones to get. So right there, the Fiil or the Fiil, and there's all the goodies you get. Bluetooth 5.2. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys soon.